Hey guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to Ayami's Cooking. Today I'm going to use this one. It's called Burdock root. I'm going to make side dish with this. It's called Kinpira Gobo. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to wash this burdock root because it has the dirt on it. Use aluminum foil and wash it. And then take this, what do you call it? Root of root? I don't know. Take all of this out. Next, just cut it. And after this, just cut again. So burdock root tastes like soil, dirt, but it's not bad and it's really healthy. So if you're interested in, please try this one. My partner loves this. Now I'm going to put them in the water for a while, for maybe a few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Doesn't really matter. Next, carrot. Same as burdock root, I'm going to cut this thinly. Carrot is done. So next I'm going to stir them. Stir. I don't know. And to put the sesame oil and then start cooking the carrot first. This sesame oil is the best. After carrots get cooked a little bit, I'm going to add burdock root. Then stir them well. Okay, after you cook them well, add some ingredients. First, sugar and soy sauce. Then cooking sake. Then mix well. Then last, sprinkle some sesame. Dekimashita! Tada! 完成! Kinpira Gobo. カチカチカチカチカチカチカチカチ。全部入れちゃえ。Taste. いただきます。 This is really good. This is really tasty and healthy side dish. I love this. I don't know if you can find a Burdock road in your country. And I live in Canberra, but I've never seen this. But I went to Sydney and I found this. So maybe big city has one. If you find this, please try this recipe. So now I started working, so it's kind of hard for me to film and edit. So probably I'm gonna upload less, but I will try to keep doing this. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.